Happy Friday, chikahan mga kapuso! Pinatunayan ni Barbie Fortesa na hindi dapat malungkot kahit walang special someone last Valentine's Day. Ang araw ng mga puso, inilaan na lang niya for self-love and a solo date. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Very happy in her solo era si Kapuso primetime princess Barbie Fortesa. At patunay dyan, ang solo date niya last Valentine's Day.
Nag-movie date ako, nag-cafe date ako, nag-fancy dinner date ako, and then come Sunday morning, tumakbo ako.
Dagdag ni Barbie, hindi dapat malungkot kahit walang special someone.
You should love yourself every day, treat yourself with kindness, full of love. You really don't have to depend your happiness on anyone.
Speaking of love, this love month din mapapanood ang pinagbibidahang pelikula ni Barbie na Until She Remembers. Kasama niya dyan ang icons ng showbiz industry na sina Charo Santos Concho at Boots Anson Rodrigo.
Dream project ko po ito. Ang mapabilang sa pelikula ng Direk Brillante at ang makasama ang mga very powerful women who I really look up to in the industry.
Dumating sa premiere ng pelikula to show their support ang Sparkle GMA Artist Center. Mga kaibigang sina Kapuso Primetime King Ding Dong Dantes at Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards at iba pa.
Personally, very happy for Barbie na grabe napakaswerte niya. Napasama siya sa mga pillars and legends of the industry na talagang ang galing hindi pati yung performance niya dito napakagaling.
And I think it's a story about how love is to each and every individual. And ang galing lang na minsan kahit pa ang naparealize sa akin ng pelikulang to, there's love even in absence of someone important in your life.
Aubrey Carampel, updated sa showbiz happenings.